Go, go, go. My gun's ready to fire better. Oh my God. That's a bush. Bush is hurt.
Come on me!
Nice hit. There they are. I gotta get some cover here. Well, this is a good spot. Sorry. Okay. What? How did that not hit you?
As I yelled back.
Respawn. Oh, come on. One of those has got to hit. Guns out. I don't have a choice. I got to go up with my pistol. Okay, I got to make a run. Grease gun's down. Casey is right over to my left here. Got him pinned? Oh no, I'm good.
Alright.
Okay, am I good to run?
Nope.
Give me a sec here. I can run it. I can run it. Okay, ready? I'm going.
2, 3.
Hold up. Thank you, Cal. I need you over here. Watch out for those guys. You're dry. Completely?
Nope.
I got it, don't worry. I'll cover you.
Watch out, other side of the house.
Bang. Ooh, that's close. Yep. Where's Jay?
I'm good. Thanks, Ron. Yeah, you can always count on me for ammo. I'm going to throw back and see it then.
Shit.
I got another one right here.
Give me a sec, Kyle.
Okay.
shit, is he? Hit! Nice rush. Oh. Casey's moving. All right. I got one. Man, they do not want us to move.
They don't want to move. I swear my shot to pin Casey and behind those pallets.
His vest makes no difference for it. He will not notice. I'm running so low on battery. Hit! Respawn! Here you go, bud. Shit, this gun is so close to dead, it's not even funny. I can't tell who that is. Oh, that's Bobby over there. No, Bobby's over there as well. Oh, I know Casey's right there. I think he's reloading. One sec. Hold up. Stay there, Jay. Try to get Casey's attention for me. He's not moving. I think you're out of ammo.
Yeah.
Alright. I gotta watch where I'm moving here. I don't know if Casey's staying there or not. Fuck. Yeah?
Move it over here for a second.
Huh?
Move it over here.
Yeah.
Pistol fell out of my pocket and I hit it.
Oh, okay. Well, that's unfortunate.
Sure, I grabbed the pistol. Found it.
Oh my god. You cheeky fuck nougat. Oh, I love you, Jay. I just ran out of fucking battery, too. Jay, you sneaky fuck. I love you, Jay. Yeah, I'm so close to out of battery. Well done, little buddy. I got that on camera, too.